Craftsman Tool and Mold's been in business for 48 years now, and we make custom mold bases for the plastic industry. Well, they want to specialize in one end of the business, and they want to specialize in the cavity and core, and they don't have the machinery, or they want to invest in the machinery or the space capacity to buy large CNC machines for the big bases that we build. Before SpaceClaim, we did a lot of stuff in 2D mold and 2D models, not solid models. So when Craftsman changed its processes to work only off of 3D models, we started to realize that we had a problem with some of our customers because they couldn't supply them. First, you have to understand that Craftsman has no design capabilities. We're a cam shop, we have no CAD. So we are always relying and depending upon our customers' designs. Typically, sometimes there's flaws with them or they're not machinable, so we've always wanted to change them or alter them in some way or another to help us machine on the shop floor. Before SpaceClaim, we'd have to call them up, bother them out, and have them send us a new file. Or the other one is translating the files. We get XT files or step files, SolidWorks files. So at that point, I had to pay someone for maintenance to have a solid conversion for our IGESs or whatever format we wanted to work from. Number one would be to convert files. Number two would be if we are getting only flat DXF files or DWG files, Craftsman currently works only off of solid models. So if my customer can't supply the solid model and I only have a 2D model, that's when SpaceClaim helps us out the most. We'll use that 2D model to grow it into a solid for machinability on the shop floor. We use it constantly when that occurs. Before, we would have to do it the old-fashioned way, and it would take us twice as long on the shop floor because there's no solids that existed. Now we take the time in SpaceClaim to make the solids, and then we give those to our customer, and they approve it. Some of our customers do not supply us prints, PDF drawings. They only supply us with the step file. So at that point, we still work off of paper on the shop floor. We use SpaceClaim to make our blueprints. What I didn't anticipate was the strength of it to actually make the solids when we didn't have them supplied by our customer, or they didn't exist, because it was an existing tool that was built 20 years ago. They only had 2D drawings. That's the biggest change. What scared me the most about SpaceClaim was that could alter my customer's solids. But until we learned SpaceClaim, which was very easy to learn, the negative turned to a positive. We can manipulate our customer solids to help us on our shop floor. It's not just the converting the files. The biggest thing is we could actually make the solids off their 2D drawings. By far, that's the biggest thing, that we've completely changed our process. If we didn't have the 3D solid model, we'd have to go back to the old path trace system and program it in the front office. And we wouldn't be running tool change no longer on the shop floor. It'd all be individual features. So SpaceClaim actually helps us run tool change on our shop floor. SpaceClaim is very reasonably priced. The fact that it gives us the strength to make our blueprints and to make a 2D into a solid, it becomes priceless, converts itself within the first 2 jobs.